Imagine with your smartphone or laptop in bundles you can make a lot of money, and I mean a lot of money. And today I'm going to teach you how we go about it. It's very simple, and before that please subscribe and like this video so that it can reach to many people who are willing to learn. Let's start how you can earn an online money by watching ads. Even though you can't get rich by watching ads for money, you can make extra coins. The following websites have good rating that makes them legitimate way to make money online. I know the big question that you're asking yourself is how much money can you earn by watching ads? Potential earning depends on the platform you use. All companies listed below offers various rates. Some of them even offers bonus categories. However, how much money depends on the time you invest. The more time you invest, the higher the payment you will receive. If you want to earn more, here is the trick. Number 1. Simultaneously watch an ads and take survey. The option is to run the video in the background of your phone or laptop as you do your activities. By doing this way, you will save time and make a lot of money online without spending too much time on your computer. When it comes to payment options, the PayPal Cash Out is still the most popular one. Additionally, you can redeem your rewards for different gifts cards. In the next part of video, various websites that has good rates and how to create your account. Finally, thank you for watching this. I'm Catchula001, and please don't leave before you like and leave a comment in the comment section. Goodbye.